Hello children, this is the next clip of method overloading for class 9 student. Previous clip I already explained about method overloading with two examples, and I think I gave you one or two homeworks. There is question is what, just see, in both the question when you see these two questions, this is the name of the method is series, here is also series, but signatures are different. So that is a part of method overloading. Simple thing is there. So here return type is integer, but in second return type is double. That doesn't matter. Signature, here is an integer, here is a double and double. So first question, this is a class over, double, not double, here will be what? Here will be, I have to write here integer series. Now it will calculate the sum of the series 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4. That means all the even numbers are what? Minus. So when you check this condition, if I modulus 2 equal to 0, s equal to s minus I, else s equal to s plus I. And after calculating, it will return the value of s. Then close it. Now second method, this is second method I am writing here. This is double. Here is a series double A comma, this is double N. Now when you see carefully, the first n terms, so this is 1 plus 3 4 plus 3 7 plus 3 10, isn't it? And when you see the power 2 3 increment is there, but when you see this 2 1 plus 1 2 4 plus 1 5 7 plus 1 8, so many tariqas are there. You can take multiple initialization. Here what I am taking integer I, and this is double s equal to 0.0. Take the starting part is what? Suppose this is the starting part, I is equal to 1, the value, last value is I, and increment is what? Increment is 3, isn't it? Now s is equal to s plus, no need of typecast because mixed expression is there. Here is a I by a pe power 2. So we can write here math dot pow a comma I plus 1, isn't it? What is the value of I? 1. 1 plus 1 2. Next time the value of I will be 4. 4 plus 1 5. Simple. And here what you have to do? Return s. As I told you last class, in method overloading no need to create main. As I told you in last class that no need to create main, but here to execute this program I am using the main. This is public static void main. This is the object of this class. All right, now you write system.out.println ob.series with integer. So this is the value of it, will calculate and print it. And here also ob.series, here is a two parameters, a ka value is 2.5, n ka value is supposed 10.0. Close this one. This is the way to make this method and call in main. This part is optional, children. This part is optional. To call in main, that part is optional. Hello children, this is next question related method overloading. Here are, see the question. Here is a void polygon with two signature, one is integer, another is character. Void polygon with integer and integer, void polygon without any signatures. So this n stands for total number of rows as well as total number of columns. When total number of rows and total number of columns will be same, your shape will come just like a square box. So to draw a filled square of side n using characters stored in ch, what is the meaning? Suppose the value of n is equal to 3 and the value of ch is equal to hash. So 3 rows and 3 columns means your shape will come just like that way, means just like a square box we will get it. Total number of rows and total number of columns, when both will same, your shape will a square box. Number 2, integer x and integer y that draws a filled rectangle using the symbol at the rate. Symbol at the rate is fixed, where x is total number of rows as well as y is total number of columns. When rows and columns will be different, your shape will just like a rectangle. Suppose x ka value is 2 and y ka value is 4. So how many rows will be there? There will be 2 rows and 4 columns. And what it will print at the rate, like that way. At the rate, at the rate, at the rate. This will come. When you see, there will be 2 rows and 4 columns. And your shape will just like a rectangle. Number 3, no signature that draws a filled triangle. So this like this way. You know how to draw triangle. When you see this program, here is the instance variable ij. Why ij is an instance variable? Because in all the method we have to use the value of x and y, because we will use nested for loop in all the method. So here integer n, character ch, as I told you, n is total number of rows as well as total number of columns. I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Inner for j equal to 1, j less than equal to n. Rows and columns will be same, j plus plus. And what it will print? It will print the value of ch. This is print and print. Number 2 is what? Void polygon. Here is the integer x comma integer y. Use the for loop, children. There is a for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to x, I plus plus, that is a row. For j is equal to 1, j less than equal to y, j plus plus, this is for columns. And here is a print, inner loop, print. What you have to print? At the rate of, that is fixed as per the question. And here is a print ln. Close the for loop, close the method. Number 3, you have to draw a filled triangle. So here is a void polygon without any parameter. So this is very simple. This is 4, I plus plus, j is equal to 1, j less than equal to I, j plus plus. Here is a print, क्या करना है? J, and here is a print ln. As we discussed earlier, inner for always print, outer for always print ln. So what it will print? It will print just like a filled triangle, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right. Now, if you want to call the method inside main, this is your main. This is your object. You write ob.polygon. This is 4, and here is a hash. So this will call this method. 4 rows and 4 columns filled with at the rate filled with hash. So your shape will just like a square box. Now here is the ob dot polygon, 2 rows 5 columns, that's all. We will get like that way, 2 rows and 4 columns with filled with at the rate symbol. And last one is void polygon without any parameter, so that it will call this one. This is the way to call method overloading inside main. And this is a example of method overloading. During the class, online classes, if there will be any confusion regarding this program, you can discuss with your subject teachers. All right, bye, take care.